Miel, lead the prayer, please.
Iyoko po natin ang hula at dami na presensya ng Panginoon. Ang Diyos, ang mga kapangyarihan at mabuti sa lahat, tuloy na papuri at
Good morning, grade 5 students.
Good morning!
Is there any absent in this class?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll check it first.
Okay, before we start this lesson, I want, okay, who wants to read the objectives? Who wants to read? Raise your hand. Crystal, read. Objective, all of this.
At the end of the discussion, that students are expected
To be able. Okay.
able to A. Identify the meaning of the examples of aspects of the verbs. B. Value the importance of the aspect of the verbs. C. Compose the coherent sentence using appropriate grammatical
Practice aspect of verbs. Okay, so before we start our lesson, I have here a game. I want you to encircle the verb. So, first, what is verb pala muna? What is verb? Miel?
Verb is an action.
Okay, good job. Okay. Who wants to encircle some verbs here?
Verb
Yeah, see? Verb. Respect. Sabi kanina, ang verb is an action word. Who wants to, who wants to encircle? Go, Janina. Ha? Go, encircle that. Encircle. Bilugan mo lang. Okay, good job. Give Janina 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, who wants to circle? Jenny Rose. Oh, good job. Give Jenny Rose 3 claps. Crystal. Okay, thank you. Give Crystal 3 claps. Who wants to? No, encircle. Good job. Next. Is there any verb in the fish? Okay, good job. Give yourself 3 claps. Okay, so I have a question here. Did you enjoy your activity? Isa-isa lang ang sagot. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Memel. Again, did you enjoy your activity?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, so today, again, what is our yesterday's lesson? It's all about verb. It's all about verb, okay? Again, I'll ask you again, what is verb, Miel? Okay, anyone who can give an action word except these ones? Yes, Miel.
Swim.
Okay. Next. Wants to? Any other? What I'm doing right now, I'm talking to you, right? So what I'm doing, I am talking. So what is the verb?
Mouth.
I am talking. The action word is talking. Gosh. Okay. So let's go to our motivation for today. Let's have do you want another activity? Do you want another activity? Okay. Do you want another activity?
Yes.
Okay. In this activity, you will clap once if it is past. You will clap twice if it is present. And you will clap thrice if it is future. Okay? I have here some pictures and you will identify it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Again, what you need to do, clap once if it is past, clap twice if it is present, and clap thrice if it is future. Okay? Okay. This one, who's this? Wait lang, who's this? Oh, this is Rodrigo Roa Duterte, the former president. So what is he? Past, future, or present? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. You will clap once kasi he's a former. Past na siya, past president. Okay. This one. So, what is he? Past, present, or future? Good job. Ato clap. Because he's present president of our nation. This one, what is this? What is this? A country which is technology's life. Okay, so what is it? Clap 1, 2, or 3, go. Okay, this is future. So, let's go for our sige. Based on the pictures, what did you find? What did you find in this picture? This is related to our topic today. This is about okay, thank you. That's right. So now let's have another activity. This is the last one. Not the last one. I'll group you into 2 groups. 2 each group. Okay? I have here some papers. Rather, Manila papers. One for group 1 and 2. And here on the plastic, there is an here's the plastic. You will need to paste that verb according to the aspect of verb. Do you know? Go. I'll give you 10 minutes to finish that. Ano mo na? Pause mo na. Ay, end mo na.
Oh, yan. Milk cut ito. Milk cut. Cut. Ito ka.
Are you done, class? Face your answer on the board. Ay,
Ikaw! Kanina po. Tanggalin mo. Kung magdikit.
Gong yan. Hindi kayo dito. Face mo lang sa taas. Go. Okay, I'll check it na.
Balik pa na.
Okay. So, this ball is pass.
Yes!
Okay. Check. Check. Fell.
Yes! Bala, pabaliktad natin. O, diba?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is for the group of 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Group 1 got the highest score. So, let's go on our discussion for today. Okay, our discussion for today is all about
Aspect of verb.
so in your activity earlier, what is the aspect of verbs? Okay, anyone can give the 3 aspects of verbs. Aspect, the past.
Present. Future.
So, okay. Now we will discuss about past tense. Anyone who wants to read? Lang. Okay, who wants to read?
If the action is already done in the past tense, add to a regular verb when the action was done already. Change in spelling may apply for the irregular verbs.
So, past tense is the action is already done. Nag-a-add ng ed or d kasi tapos na yun. Okay, is an example. Here, can you try to read this one? Mr. Rico
Mr. Rico continue working with
continued.
continued working with the GMC company in 2000.
Okay, where is the verb here? Okay, Jenny Rose, where is the verb here? Okay, anyone who can give an example of the past tense? Past tense verb? Do you know? Can you give one? Kunyari, naglaro ka. What is the English of No, tapos na. Go, Miel.
Play.
Okay, stop. How about, how about you're done in baking? That is the, no. Right. Okay, let's go on the second one. This is present tense. Who wants to read for this present tense? here? Go, Mian. What is the verb here? Okay. Anyone who can give an example of present tense verb? Anyone? Okay. Anyone who can give? How about pray? Okay, let's go on. This is the last one. Okay, who wants to read? Jenny Rose, can you read? No, the teacher said. Okay. Future tense. The action is to be done in the future time. Dito, here you will need to use the verb. Using future time. Okay, who wants to read? Go on, Miguel. Okay. What is the verb that we use here to make it a future tense? If you notice, will continue to discover that used in the sentence. Okay, who wants to give some example of the sentence in the sentence? How about I can give you first. Okay. Teacher Jane will discuss the lesson tomorrow. Okay, what is the word that I use in that sentences? In that sentence? Okay. Again, what are the aspects of verbs? Anyone? You can give the 3 aspects of verbs. Go on again. Go. Present. Okay, good job. Thank you. How about, can you give an example of a past tense? Past tense, you can give an example. I give a verb, phrases. You will make a sentence using the word phrases. Phrases is a present tense. Go here. Phrases. How do you use phrases in a sentence? Can you use that? The direction of the game that we will play. Go here. Can you read?
The teacher student will need to answer the missing words in the wheel of past tense, present tense, or future tense. Then, other student will create a sentence using the chosen word.
Ano mas ako? This is the wheel of verb. This is our activity for today. Okay, I will do Beth and Memel. Can you read this? Can you read this one? Covered?
I will cover my paper. I will cover
No, I covered the paper. Okay. Okay, I'll do this. Who wants to give an example of who wants to give an example of a sentence using future? Go, Mian.
Meeting tomorrow, he takes some pictures.
This is our activity. This is the last you will need a piece of paper. Okay, the direction is compose a sentences using the given sets of words. Refer to the word enclosed in the parentheses to know the tense of the verb to be used in each item. Who wants to read the example? Niel, can you read the example?
Was swimming present?
Okay, this is the answer to one. Swims at the pool. Swims is present. This swims. Okay. You need to make a sentence using the verb. This is the verb. Okay, I'll underline the verb for you to make a sentence easy. This is the verb. The verb. The verb. The verb. And this one. Okay. I'll give you 15 minutes to answer and you need to pass your paper to me. So, just go. Answer only. Okay, opens up, class. Can you exchange your paper to your seatmate? Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Kindly raise your hand. Go, Crystal. Read first. Angel.
Angel will read.
Huh?
Comics. Ay, comics pala.
Okay.
Angela read comics.
Ulit. The answer of yours. Can you give your answer?
Angela will read comics.
It's Angel.
Angel will read comics.
Okay, check. The correct answer is Angel will read comics. Check. Okay, who wants to read number 2? Jenny Rose. Okay, sit down. The correct answer is Anna celebrated her birthday last year. You added E here, right? Okay, let's go on number 3. Nel, can you read this first?
Ang Ino plant rice.
Okay,
Inos was planting rice.
sit down. Any other answer? Okay, none. The correct answer is Mang Ino is planting rice. Okay, number 4. Who wants to read number 4? You want to read, Janina? Okay, read your answer na. President. Rodrigo Duterte. Declare. Lockdown. Okay, what is your answer on the paper? Can you read? Can you read your answer on the paper, please?
Hindi pa tapos?
Okay, you will see it. Who wants to read number 5? Yes, can you read number 5 and answer it? What is your answer on that number 5? Can you read the answer on the paper? Okay, you will sit down. Jenny Rose, you want to answer? Answer it. Okay, good job. Okay, write the score on the top of the paper and pass it to me. Yeah? That is our last activity. And now, we're going to have an assignment. Okay. Okay, who wants to read assignment? Yes, go. Sentences.
Using the aspect of verb. Write the aspect of verb and underline verb.
Okay. Your activity, rather your assignment for tomorrow that you will pass. Compose 5 sentences using the aspect of verbs. Write the aspect of verb and underline the verb. Again, can you give the 3 aspects of verbs? Go, Miel. What is the what are they? Okay. Stop. You can write your assignment na and that's okay na rin, Mark. Isa pa. Isang video pa. Okay na, isang video lang. Are you done writing your assignment, class?
Yes.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you. Okay.
Okay. Pass your assignment tomorrow,